Hey everyone, welcome back to The Mind Detective. Today we're ditching the cheesy pickup lines and diving into something much more powerful, genuine ways to show you like a girl. Because let's face it, forced lines fall flat. What women truly appreciate are actions that demonstrate real interest and connection. So grab your metaphorical detective hat, because we're about to uncover the secrets to making a lasting impression. Number 1, treat her differently than your friends. Now, this doesn't mean putting her on a pedestal. It simply means showing her that she's special to you. Here's the key. Be mindful of the subtle differences. Hold the door open for her, not just out of politeness, but because you genuinely want to make a kind gesture. When she's talking, truly listen. Put away your phone, make eye contact, and ask follow-up questions that show you're paying attention. Remember the little things she mentions, like her favorite coffee shop or a band she wants to see. These small acts of thoughtfulness go a long way in demonstrating that you see her as more than just another friend. Number 2, unleash the power of genuine compliments. Forget generic flattery like, "You have a pretty smile." Focus on something specific you admire, be it her outfit, her laugh, or her intelligence. Did she ace that presentation at work? Tell her you were impressed by her confidence and clarity. Does she rock a killer shade of green? Mention how it makes her eyes sparkle. Remember, a compliment that feels sincere goes a long way. Avoid anything that feels shallow or objectifying. The goal is to make her feel good about who she is, not just her appearance. Number 3, get to know the real her. Don't just fawn over her looks. Ask open-ended questions that go beyond the surface level. What are her passions? What drives her? What are her dreams and aspirations? Is she volunteering for a cause she cares about? Ask her about it and show genuine interest. This shows you're interested in getting to know her as a person, not just a potential date. The more you learn about her, the more you can find ways to connect on a deeper level. Number 4, make her laugh. Life can be stressful, and a guy who can make her smile is a keeper. Now, humor is subjective, so don't force jokes that fall flat. But if you can share funny stories from your day, playfully tease her about something silly, or show off your goofy side in a harmless way, you're golden. A shared laugh can break the ice, create a sense of connection, and leave a positive impression. Number 5, be her rock. Offer help when she needs it. Be a listening ear during tough times and celebrate her victories. Maybe she's stressed about an upcoming exam. Offer to help her study or be a sounding board for her anxieties. Did she land a big promotion? Be genuinely excited for her and celebrate her success. Demonstrating your support shows you genuinely care about her well-being and that you're someone she can rely on. It's not about being a pushover or solving all her problems, but about being there for her through thick and thin. Number 6, respect her boundaries. Don't be pushy or clingy. Give her space and respect her decisions. This shows confidence and emotional maturity, qualities women find attractive. If she says she's busy one night, don't bombard her with texts. If she's not ready to jump into a relationship, don't pressure her. Respecting her boundaries shows you trust her judgment and value her independence. It also creates a healthy dynamic where neither person feels smothered. Number 7, be mindful of your body language. Make eye contact, smile genuinely, and lean in when she speaks. These nonverbal cues scream, "I'm interested." Good posture also projects confidence, which is another attractive quality. Avoid fidgeting, crossing your arms, or looking away constantly. These can come across as aloofness or disinterest. Number 8, embrace your passions. Women are drawn to men who are passionate about something. This doesn't mean you need to be a world-class athlete or a renowned artist. It simply means having something that excites you and that you invest time and energy into. Share your hobbies and interests with her and encourage her to do the same. Do you love playing guitar? Maybe you can invite her to hear you jam with your band someday. Is she an avid reader? Ask her about her favorite books and swap recommendations. Shared passions can spark amazing connections and give you something fun to do together beyond just going to dinner and a movie. Number 9, be kind, not just to her, but to everyone. Chivalry isn't dead. Hold doors open for others, help someone in need, and show respect to those around you. Kindness is a universally attractive quality. It shows you have a good heart and that you care about the world around you. Plus, witnessing your kindness towards others can make her see you in a positive light. Number 10, be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not. The right girl will appreciate your unique quirks and genuine personality. Confidence in who you are is incredibly attractive. Now, this doesn't mean you shouldn't strive to be your best self, but don't put on a fake persona to impress her. Embrace your individuality, your sense of humor, and your passions. The right girl will be drawn to the real you. So, there you have it. 10 genuine ways to show you like a girl. Remember, it's about building a connection, not winning a game. Be yourself, be kind, and let your genuine interests shine through. Thanks for joining the Mind Detective today. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more ways to navigate the complexities of human connection. Until next time, stay curious, stay mindful, and stay awesome.